Welcome to JobRing. Here at JobRing, we want to get the word out about available jobs as broadly as possible, and we want you to earn as many bonuses as possible. For that reason, we've introduced social media links. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how these social links work. Let's navigate to a specific job. On each specific job listing, you'll notice a section titled Refer and Earn. In this section, you'll find the social sharing links. To demonstrate, let's share this job listing on Twitter. A new window pops up. It contains a pre-populated tweet featuring the job listing link. For maximum impact, we encourage you to add information you think is relevant to the job. Just be sure to use the generated link. The generated link is unique to your JobRing account and allows us to credit the referral and resulting bonuses back to you. Once you're happy with your tweet, click the tweet button. And just like that, you've shared a job listing with your Twitter followers. This process is similar for the other social media platforms. Simply click on the respective icon and follow the prompts to share the job listing. That's all there is to it. By using these social share links, you're helping others in your network find a new job they might want, all while increasing your chances to earn bonuses. Thank you for using JobRing. JobRing, where it pays to know people, literally.